What's happening, film nerds? Dave the Film Junkie here. I'm a little late on this, but first thing down below, guys, we got more Assassin's Creed photos showing Fassbender in action. That's right, we got this one right here. It looks like he's Fassbendering, that's for sure. And then we got this one also, where he's chilling right here in a cell. This is going to be an interesting movie, man. This is going to be such an interesting movie. I can't wait. I can't. I'm looking forward to this one. I love Fassbender. I think he's awesome. If you guys haven't seen Steve Jobs, go watch that. He does a phenomenal job in that movie. And then, of course, being Magneto, he's also awesome, too. Yeah. So first thing down below, go check all that out. Let me know your thoughts about it all. Talk to you later. And thank you for watching, you beautiful people. You go ahead and hit that like, thumbs up button if you'd be so kind. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Subscribe to my other channel too. Follow me on Twitter, Facebook, Google+, and visit filmjunkie.com for all my videos.